This Audi A4 boasts a intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4 2.0 liters/121 engine powering this automatic transmission. Leather seating surfaces, cruise control, window grid diversity antenna. This Audi A4 features the following options: wheels, 8JX1810Y spoke design, wheels with silver accents, valet function, trunk rear cargo access, trip computer, transmission, 8-speed automatic with Tiptronic, tires, P245/40R18 AS, systems monitor, steel spare wheel, speed sensitive rain detecting variable intermittent wipers with heated jets. Visit us today. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 for a quick visit at a great vehicle.